Have you ever wondered why some Shopify stores scale effortlessly while others barely make it? The difference lies less in the products they sell and more in the strategies they employ. And today, we're sharing one of those game-changing strategies so you can also enjoy massive sales for your Shopify store. Hello Shopify store owners, Tushar here from Skylama. We have seen firsthand how our clients have enjoyed an average sales increase of 30% by implementing tiered pricing bundles. So today, I am diving deep into tiered pricing bundles to tell you why the simple yet effective strategy is so powerful. I'm going to share strategies from clients we have helped and help you unlock substantial revenue for your store in 2024. But what exactly are tiered pricing bundles? Tiered pricing is a strategic approach that offers customers different pricing options based on the quantity or bundle size they purchase. Rather than applying a one-size-fits-all pricing model, it creates several tiers or levels, each with its own price point, encouraging customers to buy more by offering greater value at higher tiers. This approach not only increases the average order value, but also enhances customer satisfaction by giving them the power to choose a deal that best fits their needs and budget. Now let's talk about the benefits of adopting tiered pricing bundles for your Shopify store. First, boosting average order value. Tiered pricing bundles naturally encourages customers to spend more by presenting them with increased value at each successive price point. This strategy effectively increases your store's average order value as customers are motivated to choose larger bundles that offer more value for their money. Consider Wallo Beauty's Buy More Save More collection, which cleverly uses tiered options to encourage bigger purchases. Customers enticed by the savings shift from considering single items to opting for more extensive bundles, effectively increasing their spending. Second, appeal to every customer. Tiered bundles allow you to cater to a wide range of customers, from those seeking basic options to those desiring premium experiences. This broadens your market reach and helps in customer segmentation, offering tailored experiences that meet various needs and budgets. Take Booktopia as an example, which offers tiered pricing bundles for its book collection, ranging from $10 to $100. Each tier is crafted to deliver more value and a wider selection as price increase, ensuring options for all readers. Whether customers seek bargain in the $10 range or pursue premium limited editions in the $100 to $200 tier, Booktopia ensures every reader finds a bundle that suits their taste and budget, thereby boosting customer acquisition. Third, boost satisfaction through perceived value. Customers feel more satisfied when they believe they are getting a good deal tailored to their needs. Tiered pricing amplifies this satisfaction by offering options that seem personalized and packed with value. For example, My Rocking Kit sells the butterfly summer dress where a single dress is priced at €13, but purchasing two together costs €18. This pricing strategy allows customers to perceive great value in getting a second dress for just €5 more. Such deals create a strong impression of getting more for their money, significantly boosting customer satisfaction. Adding tiered pricing bundles to your Shopify store is easier than you think. You just need Fly Bundles app. Simply install it from the Shopify store or use the link in the description and you can start designing your bundles immediately. However, before you dive in, remember to consider these key strategies for creating effective bundles. First, distinct bundle tiers. Clearly defining what each tier offers and ensuring there is a value jump between them encourages customers to consider higher priced tiers. This strategy relies on making the added benefit of each subsequent tier obvious and enticing. Consider the following example from a store specializing in cashew boxes. If you buy 2 boxes, you get 8% discount, but if you buy 4 boxes, you get a 12% discount. And if you buy 6 boxes, you get 18% discount, lowering the value to $54, which was originally $66. This approach not only highlights the savings at each level, but also simplifies decision-making for the customer. Second, psychological pricing. This approach leverages the way prices are set to make customers think that there is immense value in opting for a higher quantity purchase. A modest increase in total price for higher quantity is always appealing and encourages customers to spend more than they initially intended. For example, Uniqlo employs this strategy with their men's socks priced individually at $5.90. However, when customers opt to buy 3, the total cost is around $15 under the multi-buy offer. This pricing scheme effectively illustrates how purchasing in greater quantities offers significantly better value, persuading customers to upgrade to the bundle offer for a slight price increase. Third, promote premium tiers for aspirational sales. Positioning the highest tier as the most desirable or aspirational choice can drive customers to opt for more expensive options. This strategy works by highlighting exclusivity, additional benefits, or unique products available only in the top tier. Apple masterfully uses this approach with its iPhone lineup. The iPhone Pro Max is positioned as the pinnacle of technology and design, featuring advanced cameras and superior battery life not available in the standard models. Marketing the Pro Max as the aspirational choice drives customers toward these premium, higher margin products, leveraging the appeal of owning the top tier option. Implementing tiered pricing bundles isn't just effective, it's a transformative strategy that directly leads to better customer satisfaction, higher order values, and a wider market appeal. And with Fly Bundles, implementing this process is easier than you might think. If you're ready to revamp your pricing strategy, comment pricing below and we will help you set up a perfect tiered pricing bundle for your store. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insider tips to make your e-commerce journey a success.